Welcome back to the Half Thumb Homestead. Well, here it is. Idaho living. Well, it's not in Idaho yet. Forest River Cherokee Wolf Den, 272 RK, 34 feet long. It's got the winter package on it. It's got some really nice stairs. I guess according to some people, these are the best stairs you can get. Let's go check out the inside. Got one slide out, it's out. Got your table and couch over there. They call them flush to the floor. There's no step up, but it's still a little bump. Got your TV wall over here for your VHS cassettes, CDs. One air conditioner on this one because we're going to be in Idaho. I don't think we'll need two. Two recliners. This makes it into a dining table bed. Got your pantry back here. Tons of room for extra food for the bears. Convection microwave, air fryer all in one. Sink. Bar cup washer. Check this out. Open this end. If you're on the couch, you want a beer? Open that end. Pretty sweet. Bathroom. Small shower. It'll do. Grepper. Bedroom. I'm going to take these cabinets out. I'm going to trim them down about halfway, probably in line with that piece of wood right there. Remount them, and we're going to a king bed in here rather than this tiny thing. It's got storage under the bed, storage in the corner, a couple windows, TV mount. Well, there you have it. That's my Forest River 272 RK. Just to let you all know that buying an RV is not how I lost my thumb. Half thumb out.